In this video, we'll talk about how to configure your settings to optimize and get the most out of your WordPress site. We're going to cover a lot of ground in this video, so if you're ready, let's dig in. The General Settings sub-panel controls the most basic configuration settings for your site, such as site titles, description, and your web address. The admin email address is where WordPress will send automated email notifications for things like new user registration notices. You can choose whether or not new users can register, and if you decide to let them register, you must pick a default role of these new members. It's a good idea to set this to subscriber, since subscribers can read but not publish content on your blog. Next, select your time zone, the format in which the dates and times will be displayed throughout your WordPress website, and set your preference for the week starting day. Be sure to save your changes. The writing subpanel controls the edit interface you use while creating a new post or page. These settings control the default formatting options, default category in which new posts will automatically be created in if no other category is selected, and the default post format. We covered the press this bookmark in the previous video, so we will not be going into details in this video. But you can also post on your WordPress site directly via email. Simply enter the email account details here, and WordPress will periodically check emails sent to this address. The subject line of your email will become the post title, and the body your actual post content. It's a good idea to make this a fairly secure email address, since any messages received will be posted directly to your WordPress website. And at last, when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically sends out a notification to a site update service, which in turn alerts search engines to your new content. This can help you get your new content indexed more quickly. You can add additional notification services if you like. Don't forget to press save. There are only a few settings in the reading subpanel, but they are very important. You can decide whether your homepage will display your blog posts in a chronological order or one of your static pages instead. If you select the static page, you can pick which page you would like to serve as a home page and then which one you would like to serve as your blog page. This is really useful if you would like to use WordPress as a content management system or CMS and would like your homepage to display some welcome text instead of just a list of your blog posts. You can also choose how many posts will appear on your blog pages at one time and how many posts will show in your RSS feed. You can choose to show the complete text of your post or just a summary requiring your visitors to visit your sites to see your full content. And at last, choose if you'd like your site to be visible on search engines such as Google, Bing, and others. We covered the discussion subpanel in detail in the video of comments, so we will not get into details in this video. The media subpanel allows you to set the maximum dimensions in pixels that WordPress will use in creating various sizes of images that you upload onto your WordPress website, including the thumbnail, medium size, and large size. I typically choose to organize my uploads into month and year based folders, which makes it easier to find images that I have previously uploaded. And finally, let's talk about permalinks. This can be a confusing topic, but basically permalink settings simply determine the format of the URLs or web addresses for your pages and posts. By default, WordPress uses a web address that has a question mark followed by a lot of numbers. But you can and should use more friendly URLs that are also better optimized for search engines. Most SEO professionals agree that the best format is simply the post name by itself. The custom structure field allows you to enter a customized format that will be used on all of your pages and posts. So now we have fully covered all the basic features of WordPress administration area. You should be comfortable creating and managing your own blog and site content.